Hey there, gals and guys, and welcome back to The Big Sweep, your go-to channel for all things oddball. I'm Kelly, and today, we're diving into the nitty-gritty of cleaning, tackling not just some of the usual suspects, but also some of the oddball items you might not have thought about. So, grab your cleaning supplies and let's get started. Number 6. How to clean dried flowers. Let's talk about dried flowers, a beautiful addition to any home decor. Whether you've received a bouquet as a gift or preserved your own blooms, proper cleaning and maintenance are essential to keep them looking their best. Dried flowers are very fragile and can be easily damaged, so it's very important to handle them with care when cleaning. First, gently dust the flowers with a soft brush or use a hairdryer on the lowest setting to blow away any loose debris. Be sure to support the stems or petals with your hand to prevent them from breaking or bending. For hard-to-reach areas and a deeper cleaning, you can use a can of compressed air to gently remove dust from areas such as the petals or crevices between blooms. Hold the can upright and several inches away from the flowers. Use short blasts of air to remove any trapped dirt or debris. If your dried flowers have become discolored or stained over time, you can try to gently clean them. Use a soft brush or sponge dipped in a mixture of water and mild detergent. Gently dab at the affected areas, being careful not to saturate the flowers or disturb their delicate petals. Once you've cleaned the flowers, you may want to refresh their scent by lightly spritzing them with a floral spray or essential oil diluted in water. Avoid using strong fragrances or perfumes, as these can overwhelm the natural scent of the flowers. Finally, display your cleaned and refreshed dried flowers in a cool, dry area, away from direct sunlight and humidity, to prevent them from fading or deteriorating further. With proper care and maintenance, your dried flowers will continue to add beauty and charm to your home for months or even years to come. Number 5. How to clean BBQ grills. Who's ready for a barbecue? Before you fire up the grill, it's essential to give it a good cleaning. Over time, grease, food particles, and carbon buildup can accumulate on the grates and interior surfaces of your grill, affecting its performance and imparting bad flavors to your food. But fear not. With the right cleaning techniques, you can keep your grill in top condition and ensure delicious results every time. Let's start with the grill grates. These are the surfaces where your food makes direct contact with the heat source, so it's essential to keep them clean to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking. The easiest way to clean grill grates is by heating them up before and after each use. This helps to burn off any residue from previous cooking sessions and makes it easier to remove stubborn buildup. Once the grill is hot, use a grill brush with wire bristles to scrub the grates thoroughly. Be sure to scrub both sides of the grates to remove any stuck-on food particles or carbon buildup. If the grates are particularly dirty, you can also soak them in hot, soapy water for a few hours to loosen the residue before scrubbing. In addition to cleaning the grates, it's essential to clean the interior surfaces of the grill to remove grease and carbon buildup that may burn during cooking. This could add an offensive flavor to whatever you have on the grill at the moment. Start by removing the grates and any other removable parts, such as heat deflectors or flavorizer bars. Use a grill brush or scraper to remove any debris from the interior surfaces, then wipe them down with a damp cloth or sponge. For stubborn grease buildup, you can use a mixture of baking soda and vinegar to create a natural cleaning solution. Sprinkle baking soda over the affected areas, then spray with vinegar and allow the mixture to fizz and bubble. Use a brush or sponge to scrub the surfaces, then rinse thoroughly with clean water. Once you've cleaned the grates and interior surfaces, don't forget to clean the exterior of the grill as well. Use a mild detergent or stainless steel cleaner to remove any dirt, grease, or fingerprints from the exterior surfaces, then rinse and dry thoroughly. With regular cleaning and maintenance, your BBQ grill will continue to deliver delicious results for many seasons to come. So fire it up and get grilling! Number 4. How to clean canvas awnings. Yes, canvas awnings, perfect for adding shade and style to your outdoor space. But over time, exposure to the elements can cause them to become dirty, stained, or even develop mold and mildew. To keep your canvas awnings looking their best, regular cleaning and maintenance are essential. The first step in cleaning canvas awnings is to remove any loose dirt or debris. You can do this by gently brushing the surface with a soft bristled brush or using a handheld vacuum with a brush attachment. Be sure to pay special attention to any seams or creases where dirt and debris can accumulate. Once you've removed the loose dirt, it's time to tackle any stains or soiling on the canvas. For light stains, you can spot clean using a mild detergent or specialized canvas cleaner. Mix a small amount of cleaner with water to create a gentle cleaning solution. Then use a soft brush or sponge to gently scrub the affected areas. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive scrubbers, as these can damage the canvas. For tougher stains or overall cleaning, you may need to wash the entire awning. Start by wetting the canvas with a hose to loosen any embedded dirt and debris. Then apply a mild detergent or canvas cleaner to the surface and use a soft brush or sponge to scrub the entire awning. Work in small sections, starting from the top and working your way down to ensure thorough coverage. Once you've cleaned the entire awning, rinse it thoroughly with clean water to remove any soap residue. Be sure to rinse from the top down to prevent streaking. Allow the awning to air dry completely before retracting it to prevent mold and mildew growth. Before we carry on, remember to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep. Ring the notification bell so you don't miss any useful tips and tricks. Don't forget to leave a comment below and tell us which part of the video you liked best. Let us know about any oddball cleaning tricks you may have up your sleeve. You know we love to hear from you. Now back to the video. Number 3. How to clean an air conditioner. Now let's tackle a summertime essential, the air conditioner. Whether you have a window unit or a central AC system, regular maintenance is key to keeping it running efficiently and prolonging its lifespan. Let's start with window units. For window air conditioners, one of the most critical maintenance tasks is cleaning or replacing the filter. The filter is responsible for trapping dust, dirt, and other airborne particles, preventing them from circulating back into your home. Over time, the filter can become clogged, reducing airflow and efficiency. To clean the filter, simply remove it from the unit and wash it with warm, soapy water. Allow it to dry completely before reinstalling it. If the filter is damaged or too dirty to clean, it's time to replace it with a new one. You can find replacement filters at most hardware stores or online retailers. In addition to the filter, it's essential to clean the coils and fins of your window AC unit. These components can also accumulate dust and debris, hindering the unit's performance. Use a vacuum with a brush attachment to gently remove any buildup from the coils and fins. Be careful not to bend or damage the fins during cleaning. If the coils are particularly dirty, you can use a coil cleaner spray, following the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Now let's talk about central air conditioning systems. While many homeowners prefer to leave the deep cleaning to the professionals, there are still some maintenance tasks you can tackle yourself to keep your central AC running smoothly. Just like with window units, it's essential to clean or replace the filters regularly. Depending on the type of filter you have, this might involve washing it with soap and water or replacing it with a new one. In addition to the filters, it's a good idea to clean the outdoor condenser unit of your central AC system. Over time, dirt, leaves, and other debris can accumulate around the unit, obstructing airflow and reducing efficiency. Start by turning off the power to the unit to prevent any accidents. Then, use a garden hose to gently spray away any dirt and debris from the fins. Be careful not to use too much pressure, as this could damage the fins. If you notice any bent or damaged fins, you can carefully straighten them using a fin comb. Number 2. How to clean artificial flowers. Dusting artificial flowers frequently with a hairdryer set on low can prevent a buildup of dust and dirt that can be hard to remove. To clean them safely, which means without using water, simply pour some salt into a plastic grocery bag. Put the flowers in the bag, blossoms down. Hold the bag around the stems and shake. Then, place a nylon stocking or pantyhose over your vacuum nozzle and gently remove the salt from the flowers. The stocking will prevent the vacuum from sucking up the flower blossoms. The salt will have absorbed the dirt from the flowers and they will look fresh again. Number 1. How to clean the air. Let's talk about something we often overlook: the air we breathe indoors. Have you ever noticed that sometimes the air inside your home can feel a bit stuffy or even carry unpleasant odors? That's where air purifiers come to the rescue. These devices work wonders in removing airborne particles like dust, pollen, pet dander, and even harmful chemicals, leaving you with cleaner, fresher air to breathe. Investing in a high-quality air purifier can make a significant difference in your indoor air quality, especially if you or your family members suffer from allergies or respiratory issues. But remember, it's not just about having an air purifier. You also need to maintain it properly to ensure it functions effectively. One crucial aspect of maintenance is cleaning or replacing the filters regularly. Over time, filters can become clogged with the particles they've trapped, reducing the purifier's efficiency. Check the manufacturer's instructions for guidance on how often to clean or replace the filters. Typically, it's recommended to do so every 3 to 6 months, but this can vary depending on factors like the purifier's size, usage, and the air quality in your home. Thanks for visiting the Big Sweep today, and we'll catch you again in the next episode.